Welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to show you how to create typewriting text animation effects on Capcut. As you know, text animation is a vital part of your video editing. Open Capcut and open the Prime video that you want to add text animation. Enter the text and choose fonts, effects and style as you want. Then, add the animation. As you can see here, there are hundreds of text animation available in Capcut for free to use. We will choose Type 3 animation option for this editing. Add the sound effects for the text you have just added. As you can see here, there are hundreds of various inbuilt sound effects are available in Capcut for free to use. Under the mechanical section, you can see here, there are 4 types of different typing sounds. They are typing 1 key, typing 2 keys, typing long and typing keyboard. We choose typing long for this animation. As you have just seen, in this way you can create typewriting effects for your text animation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos. See you with another useful tutorial.